This easy one-pan chicken and chorizo paella is full of all those really favourite Spanish-inspired flavours, and it's a really simple meal to make where everything cooks in the same pan. The ingredients that you're going to need to make this dish are some chicken. I've used chicken breasts, but you could use thighs, some chopped chorizo, chopped garlic. I've used some frozen onions, peppers. You can use red, yellow, or green if that's what you have, chopped tomatoes. And then the spices that I've used are ground turmeric, smoked paprika, and dried chili flakes. I've also used saffron. You only need a pinch of it, and if you don't have any, I wouldn't worry too much. Then paella rice and some chicken stock. And then finally, I've stirred in some frozen peas at the end. First of all, we're heating up some olive oil in a fairly large sauté pan. Then adding the onions and garlic and frying them for a short while, give them a little stir around. And as they begin to soften, add the peppers as well as the chopped chorizo and stir everything around again. So as the chorizo begins to release some of its oils, you'll see as you stir it round, some of the oils coming out. This is when you can add the chicken. So stir the chicken around until the sides begin to seal and it starts to turn a little bit brown. Now add all the spices, sprinkling them all over all the ingredients in the pan, followed by the tin of chopped tomatoes. Pour in the chicken stock over everything and then give everything a good stir together so the flavours are all really nice and mixed together. As it all begins to boil away, it's time to add in the paella rice. So pour it in and then stir it round so it's all mixed in really well and submerged in all of the liquid and all of the flavours. Reduce the heat so that it's simmering and put a lid on and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. Now, once most of the liquid has been absorbed by the rice, you can add the frozen peas directly into the pan, stir everything around, leave it for about a minute or two, and then that's it. The chicken and chorizo paella is ready to eat. It's a really simple one-pan meal. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.